Andy, hey, it's been a little while, but wanted to catch you back up to date on that pandemic pontoon project we've been working on. So listen, we're up here in Morganton, North Carolina, just off of Interstate 40, right there, Interstate 40. Been up here picking up a 200 horsepower, two-stroke Mercury V6, 1983 model. Checked the motor out real good, and looks like it's going to be a really good unit for that 1986 Lakescraft. And in fact, the year models are pretty close on that. So we got an 86 Lakescraft pontoon, and this motor is titled as a 1983 200 horse Mercury Black Max. So anyway, picked that up, getting back on the interstate right here, heading back to Lake Norman from Morganton, North Carolina, with the 200 Black Max in the back of the truck. If my Miss Video photographer can kind of lean back there, she might get you a view of that going down the interstate right here. What we've got loaded up back there. Got the lower unit disassembled just to save length, and I'm not sure if Miss Video photographer can get us a shot of that. But we're going to get back to you. We've got unloaded this evening over at the workshop, and looks like it's going to be a really good unit. I'm looking forward to getting that thing cleaned up and getting that booger on the back of that pandemic pontoon project. Capt.andy signing off, and we'll back to see you soon.